Oh, good day! Today, I'm going to show to you the Laplace transform of e raised to negative 80 cosine bt. So first, you need to take the integration of e raised to negative st times e raised to negative 80 cosine bt dt. The limits are from 0 to infinity. Next is to simplify the equation. Integration of e raised to the quantity negative s minus a times t cosine bt dt. Limits are from 0 to infinity. To solve this equation, you need to solve it using integration by parts. So first, you need to find u. U is equals to cosine bt. The derivative of cosine bt is equals to negative b sine bt. dv, oh, there's a dv here. dv is equals to e raised to the quantity negative s minus a times t dt. And the integration of that is negative 1 over s plus a times e raised to the quantity negative s minus a times t. So next is substitute this using formula uv minus integration of v du. So your u is equals to cosine bt. Your v is equals to negative 1 over s plus a times e raised to the quantity negative s minus a times t. You can substitute the limit so that you will not confuse later. Minus integration of your v is negative 1 over s plus a times e raised to the quantity negative s minus a times t, and your du is equals to negative b, so this will become positive, b sine bt dt. Substituting the limit equals to quantity negative cosine b times infinity over s plus a times e raised to quantity negative s minus a times infinity minus, and this will become plus, so cosine b times 0 over s plus a times e raised to the quantity negative s minus a times 0. So close, minus b over s plus a integration of e raised to negative s minus a times t sine bt dt. So next is e raised to negative very large number is equal to 0. So cancel this. And cosine 0 is equals to 1. And e raised to 0 is equals to 1. So 1 over s plus a times 1 is equal to 1 over s plus a. So this will become 1 over s plus a minus b over s plus a. Then, you solve this equation again using integration by parts. So, find u. Your u is equals to sine bt. Derivative of that is equals to b cosine bt. Your dv is equals to e raised to negative s minus a times t. And your v is equals to negative 1 over s plus a e raised to negative s minus a times t. Substituting to the formula uv minus vdu, integration of vdu, this will become quantity. U is sine bt over negative s plus a times e raised to negative quantity s minus a times t. Substituting the limit so that you will not confuse, minus integration of your v is equals to negative 1 over s plus a times e raised to quantity negative s minus a times t, and your du is b cosine bt dt. So next is substitute the limits. So copy 1 over s plus a minus b over s plus a and quantity negative sine bt, no, sine infinity over s plus a times e raised to negative quantity s plus a times infinity minus, this will become plus cos negative, sine b times 0 over s plus a times e raised to the quantity negative s minus a times 0, and this will become quantity minus, this will become plus, so plus b over s plus a times the integration of e raised to the quantity negative s minus a times t cosine bt dt. Next is e raised to negative very large number is equals to 0. So cancel it. And sine 0 is equals to 0. So 0 over any number is equals to 0. So cancel this. And then b, negative b over s plus a times b over s plus a is equals to, bring down this, plus a minus b squared over s plus a squared. And as you can see, the integration of e raised to quantity negative s minus a times t is cosine bt dt is almost the same as the equation here at the top. So you can let that the Laplace of e raised to negative at cosine bt is equal to y. To minimize the equation, so this will become y times y here. And also don't forget there's a y here because it is Laplace is equal to this equation. So transposing this number into the left, this will become positive. So y plus v squared over quantity s plus a squared and then y is equal to 1 over s plus a. So next is add this b squared over quantity s plus a squared to the 1 here, because there's a 1 in the variable y. So the same variable you can add this, so this will become s plus a quantity squared and then plus b squared over quantity s plus a squared is y is equal to 1 over s plus a. So next is cross multiply this equation. So this will become y is equal to s plus a over s plus, well, there's a quantity here, squared, plus b squared. So substitute the Laplace in y. This will become Laplace of e raised to negative at cosine bt is equal to s plus a over quantity s plus a squared plus b squared. And that's the final answer. And that's how it is done.